Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Okay, today we will continue our past lesson, which is in chapter 6. Okay, for today we will see 6.1.2, which is make and verify the conjecture about points in the region that satisfy a linear inequalities. Okay, now we recall back. Okay, in form 1 you have learned how to represent an inequality in one variable using a number line as in diagram 1. Do you know that an inequality can also be represented on a Cartesian plane, okay, which is this one, okay, in the graph form by shading the region that satisfy the inequality as in diagram 2. Okay, all the x coordinates in the shaded region satisfy inequality x higher than 1. Okay, this one is satisfied with this inequality. Okay, now there is a tips how to draw a graph, okay, if it's involving inequality. If it's involving inequality higher or lower than, okay, the type of line that we use is dash line, which is the dot one line. Okay, if it's involving higher or equal, lower or equal sign, it using solid line. Okay, straight line that without dash line, okay, just solid line. Okay, next. Okay, this diagram show types of regions generated on a Cartesian plane when a straight line is drawn. Okay, from this diagram, okay, this line is represent this equation. Also, same goes with here. Okay, same goes with here, and same goes with this diagram. Okay, now we take a look from here first. Now, from here there is two region, which is this part is we call as region above, okay, because it's above the line, and this one is we call as region below because it is below the line. Okay, now we take a look at the second diagram. Okay, also same goes as the first diagram. This part is the above region, okay, region above, and this part is region below. Okay, the third diagram from here, this is the equation y equal to h. Okay, this part is region above, also here is region below. Okay, the fourth diagram involving right or left. Okay, of course the red one is the left and the green one is on the right. Okay, next. Okay, from this diagram we can conclude that all the points that lie on the straight line satisfy the equation y equal mx plus c. Okay, it's lie on this line, okay, the second statement is all the points that lie in the region above, okay, above satisfy the inequality y higher or equal mx plus c. Okay, higher or equal, okay, if it's the point lie above this line. Okay, the third statement, all the points that lie in the region below satisfy the inequality y lower than or equal mx plus c. Okay, if the point lie in this region below, okay, it satisfy the inequality y lower than or equal mx plus c. Okay, next we take a look for the first example. Okay, draw the straight line y equal to negative 2x plus 6 for which the x is between negative 1 and 5. Plot the points 1, negative 2, 4, negative 2, 0, 1, 1, 4, 4, 3, and 2, 6. Determine whether the points plotted satisfy y equal to negative 2x plus 6 or y higher than negative 2x plus 6 or y lower than negative 2x plus 6. Okay, so the solution, first we write down the equation, which is y equal to negative 2x plus 6. Now we make a table like this. Okay, x is coordinate x and y is coordinate y. And now we choose two x coordinate, which is negative 1 and 5. Where I get this point is from this question. Okay, because it is between negative 1 and 5. Then we get 8 and negative 4. How I get the y coordinate is like this. Okay, when x equal to negative 1, then negative 1 we insert into this equation to get the value of y. Then we solve it, then we get the answer y equal to 8 when x is equal to negative 1. Same goes with when x equal to 5. Okay, then we insert into the equation, we get y equal to negative 4. And then we draw the straight line in the Cartesian plane. The scale of the graph must be negative 1 until 5 only, because we must fulfill the condition in the question. Okay, so we draw the straight line. This is the straight line. Okay, above here is the point of negative 1, 8. And below here is a point of 5, negative 4. Then we connect two of these point. Then we got straight line. Okay, this is the straight line of this equation, which is y equal to negative 2x plus 6. After we draw this straight line, now we plot the point that have given. There is 6 point here. Okay, this one is 0.26, this one. Okay, then we plot 0.43, okay, this one. Then 0.14, okay, this one. Then 0.4, negative 2, okay, this one, 4, negative 2. Next is 0.1 here, and then 1, negative 2 here. Okay, we already plot all of the point. Okay, remember that the diagram that I already showed you before, which is the region that above this line is the region above, which is satisfy the inequality y higher than negative 2x plus 6. And if the line is below, or if the region is below the line, it is called region below, so it satisfies the inequalities y lower than negative 2x plus 6. Then we can determine that each of these points, okay, which one is satisfied between these three. Okay, first we take a look which point that lie on the straight line. Okay, the point that lie on this straight line is 1, 4 and 4, negative 2. So points 1, 4 and 4, negative 2 satisfy the equation y equal to negative 2x plus 6. Okay, next. Points 2, 6 and 4, 3 satisfy the equation y higher than negative 2x plus 6 because it is in the above region. And the last one, points 0, 1 and 1, negative 2 satisfy the equation y lower than negative 2x plus 6 because these 2 points is below this straight line at the below region, so that's why it is lower than. Okay, now we take a look at more example. Given the linear equation y equal to negative 3x plus 6 without drawing the graph. Okay, without drawing the graph. Just now we have seen the graph, but right now there is no graph. Okay, of the straight line, determine whether the given point satisfy y equal to negative 3x plus 6 or y higher than negative 3x plus 6 or y lower than negative 3x plus 6. Okay, for the first point, which is 2, 5. Okay, how we determine whether this one or this one, which one is it? Okay, I will show you step by step. First, you draw a table like this. Okay, then this row is you will put y here, and then you put the equation from this equation. This is the equation. Okay, then you insert here. Now this point, okay, point 5 we put here. Okay, this is y coordinate. Okay, and then the x coordinate, we insert this x into this equation, then you solve it, then you get 0. Okay, 5 is higher than 0, thus 0.25 satisfy y higher than negative 3x plus 6. Okay, for more understanding, I will show you one more point, which is negative 9 and which is negative 1, 9. Okay, draw this table. Okay, like this. Okay, this is y and this is the equation. Okay, this is the y coordinate, which is 9, and then the x coordinate, which is negative 1, we insert into this equation, then we solve it, then we get 9. Okay, 9 is equal to 9, thus negative 1, 9 satisfy y equal to negative 3x plus 6. Okay, next. Okay, we already reached the end of the lesson. Okay, please keep in mind, okay, this table, okay, this is the blank space. Okay, this is the sign. Okay, if it's higher than, it is above the line. If it's equal, it's on the line. If it's lower than, it's below the line. Okay, please keep this in your mind. Okay, so for the assignment or the task, complete all the tasks before 3 p.m. I wish cooperation from all of you. First, vote your understanding in the Telegram, and the second one, do exercise in activity module, page 82 only. Okay, thank you for joining my class today. See you guys in the next class.